Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Asma's Kitchen. I'm Asma. Today I have a really delicious Pakistani cuisine to share with you. That is yakhni pulao. Really easy to make with simple ingredients. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. And watch this video till the end for recipe card. Right, let's get started with the recipe of yakhni pulao. First I have to make yakhni for yakhni pulao. So here is ingredients for it. Chicken 750 grams, water 1 liter, onion 2 cut into halves, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, ginger 1 piece, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, garlic 9 cloves, whole coriander 2 tablespoon, cinnamon sticks 3, black cardamom 3, cloves 10, black peppercorn 20. Now take 750 gram chicken in a pan. Then add 1 liter water, onion, a piece of ginger, garlic, whole coriander, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, salt, and these hot spices. Now first bring it to boil. Now it is boiling. So cover it and let it cook for 30 minutes on low flame. Yakhni is ready now. So I will take out chicken into a platter. And I am sieving broth in colander, and keep this sieved broth aside. And now next step for yakhni pulao: onion 3 chopped, rice 3 cups soaked, crushed ginger 1 teaspoon, crushed garlic 1 teaspoon, green cardamom 6, whole green chilies 9, salt 1 teaspoon, oil 3/4 cup. Now heat up a pan, then add 3/4 cup oil, then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Oil is warmed up, so now I am adding 1 teaspoon garlic and 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger. Saute it. Now add chopped onion and fry until it gets pink in color. Now I am covering it for 5 minutes so it gets a bit tender. Fry it again. Now add green cardamoms. Fry it. Then add chicken into it. Fry it. Then add sieved broth. Mix it and bring it to boil. Now it is boiling, so I am adding soaked rice into it, and I think I require some water. Stir it and let it cook. At this point I am adding whole green chilies and covering its lid and putting it on simmer for 20 minutes. Now it's done. dish it out. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, link in description. Give thumbs up if you like it, leave comment below, and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more Pakistani cuisine. Don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will notified when I will upload a new video. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.